इस बात साथी पूछ रहे थे कि जो है आपके अल इखलास ट्रस्ट की कुछ मैनेजमेंट में चेंजिंग आ गई है, तो लाहौर वाले साथी उससे अपडेटेड नहीं है, तो वो कौन कंसर्न लोग हैं जिनसे रब्ता किया करें फंड डोनेशन और इल्मी दौरात के लिए?
Al Ikhlaas Trust has changed quite a lot since April, May time. So the changes are, I think, important because the project of Al Ikhlaas has grown from just a bookstore that you used to see in G11, which was just a small bookstore. So it's expanded quite a lot into other projects such as the Masjid project, and the responsibility has increased. So a few changes have been made. There's been some resignations and some additions, but overall the manhaj is the same, the da'wah is the same. So the chairman of Al Ikhlaas Trust, I myself am the chairman now, and with me are my brothers Mahmoud, who is a founding member, Nu'man, founding member, and we've added myself, our brother Abu Ahsan or Abu Muhsin Amjad. Where is he? Okay, Amjad is also a new board member, and Abu Arwa Ali. So these are the additional board members, and there's been 2 resignations, Brother Zubair and Brother Irfan. So those 2 have resigned, and the 3 have been added, and the 2 founding members remain. But the activities themselves, they remain as they were, but now we are adding more, as you can see, more effort. There's more donations coming in, so we are using them more effectively in Pakistan generally. So if there is any communication that is to be made, if it is administrative, then you would contact our brother Nu'man and our brother Amjad, or our brother Mahmoud Hussain Abu Adil. So that's the changes in essence. Everything else that you see, you can see around you, but you will see that the website has changed. So we have a new website which is a lot more functional, and the webmaster is our brother Ustad Tariq, and Tariq's durus are continuing, and likewise our brother Ali will do more. We are maybe more closely tied to our brothers in Rawalpindi, Masjid Abdul Aziz bin Baz. That's really the changes. Administratively, these are the people that you would have to contact for any finances, zakat, sadaqat. All of that would have to now go through primarily Amjad and brother Nu'man and brother Mahmoud. Other than that, Suhaib is still here working in the bookstore, and our brother Al-Ustad Tariq, he has a greater role in the markaz now. He has a more senior role, and he is the main translator and the main mudarris, alongside Ali, who is also, of course, a board member. That's the changes in essence, and I think in the end they were for the good and for the better of the da'wah. And I believe, inshallah, and Allah knows best, that the da'wah will go from strength to strength from that, because there's a stronger connection now with the new board. Alhamdulillah, they work together very seamlessly and very nicely, and they have greater responsibilities, so they are more accountable than they were before. So now, if anything happens, we are directly accountable. So you'll see an improvement anyway in terms of general da'wah activities here in Islamabad. So that's what I have to say about that. Alhamdulillah. So as you can see, that